Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra could surpass the camera performance of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, known for having one of the best smartphone camera setups. Recent leaks have given us an intriguing peek into the camera setup of the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. While we must underscore that these specifications remain unconfirmed by Samsung, the details are captivating for photography enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, slated for release in the near future, is rumored to flaunt a camera system that could redefine the boundaries of smartphone photography. Let's delve into what's been unveiled. As per tipster Vegas, at the heart of this camera array is an astonishing 200-megapixel primary camera. This sensor is no slouch, featuring an impressive 1/1.3-inch size and minuscule 0.6 micrometer pixel dimensions. The promise here is incredibly sharp and detailed images. Complementing the primary camera, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to house a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This camera reportedly incorporates the IMX564 sensor, sporting a 0.55-inch sensor size and generous 1.4 micrometer pixel size, potentially ensuring wide-angle shots with exceptional quality. Zoom enthusiasts fear not. The device is rumored to come equipped with a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, providing 3x optical zoom. The camera is said to harness the IMX754 Plus sensor, which brings a sensor size of 1/3.52 inches and pixel dimensions of 1.12 micrometers, promising clarity in your zoomed-in captures. Another noteworthy addition is the 48-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, boasting 5x optical zoom capabilities. It relies on the GMU sensor, which features a 0.25-inch sensor size and pixel dimensions of 0.8 micrometers. The expected aperture for this 5x telephoto camera is approximately f/3.2. Perhaps the most astonishing revelation is the claim that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will achieve a remarkable 100x zoom capability despite having a 5x optical zoom. This hints at advanced digital zoom technology and powerful image processing. It's important to keep in mind that these specifications are based on leaks and are yet to receive official confirmation from Samsung, so a touch of skepticism is prudent. But the leaks extend beyond the S24 Ultra. They offer a sneak peek into the Galaxy S25 Ultra, anticipated to debut in the first quarter of 2025. According to the leaker, the S25 Ultra is set to introduce 4x and 6x telephoto lenses and replace laser autofocus with a new Vision sensor. These potential changes could signify further advancements in Samsung's camera technology, although, as with any leaks, official verification from the company remains essential. The leaked information has ignited excitement among Samsung enthusiasts and photography aficionados, suggesting substantial upgrades in the camera capabilities of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the forthcoming S25 Ultra. Nonetheless, the absence of official confirmation warrants a cautious approach as we eagerly anticipate Samsung's official announcement. What do you think about this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.